Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing my own eyelash extensions. I watched so many videos, like I probably watched like 50 videos of people doing their eyelashes, and it looks so simple. So I bought everything. I waited for them to come. Everything is in this box. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video you know exactly what you need to do your eyelashes, but if you don't, I'm gonna literally really quickly tell you guys. I have the fan that you use. I bought the lashes right here. I actually have two lashes. I don't know which one I'm gonna use, but we're gonna see. So I have that one and I have this one. One of them is better than the other one. Like one of them is really hard and the other is really soft, so I have to differentiate between the two and see which one I want to use. I have the eyelash extension glue. This one I make sure to find one that does not irritate the eyes. So this one is it. Literally everybody say it's beginner friendly, and so is one of the lashes. I bought all these little, you know what I'm saying, I got these. You need these to pick up the lashes and apply them on your eyes. Let me just keep that out. I also got this one if you want to separate your eyelashes. I got these so you could, like, you know, spread them apart. I'm so excited. All right, this also came in the mail. I don't know what this is. What is this? Should I take the time and learn? But I do want to go ahead and jump straight into the video. I don't want to keep y'all waiting for too long, but I'm gonna put it on my skin right here, right? And I'll put the glue on it. So let me go ahead and start putting the... Okay, I don't have a primer. People, like professionals, prime their eyes when they're doing it, but I don't have a primer, baby. So okay, so this is brand new. There's a little red thing it came with. I'm gonna use that to open up the top. Okay, let me try to open it with the tweezer because the comb is not working. Okay, yeah, that worked like a charm. That means these tweezers are freaking sharp. What fell? Ah, that's important. Let me get a fresh, clean, low spoolie. I just showered. I took a good shower too. It's what? It's 11 o'clock or something. I took a really good shower because I know I can't get them wet later on today. Alright, I'm just brushing out my lashes. Alright, so I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this. I have to determine what length I want to use though. I think I want to go for a good 18 being my longest. 17 seems like a pretty cool length. Again, that's what it looks like. Hopefully I can see it. I'm gonna dip the end. What I'm gonna do because this is not a tutorial, this is just you guys experiencing my first time doing this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do my first one and do some, and when I have the knowledge and the skill set to try to teach y'all something, I'm gonna come back. But for now, I gotta worry about me, baby. Okay, so I try to put it on, but I have a problem. It's too dark here. So the mirror I'm using, it actually is able to light up. So I'm gonna go ahead and find something to light it up with, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and this is what I got done. So at first it was a little bit tougher than I thought it would be, but like I'm getting the hang of it slowly. So I just went in with the 16 millimeters in the inner corner, and like for the outer corner I'm gonna do 17 and then 18. You get me? Like I'm trying to do like a little effect or something so it doesn't look crazy. It looks like this now. It's so tiny. Now I'm gonna dip it in the glue. Alright, and then I'm gonna use the magnifying part of my mirror and just, I want the glue dry up a bit, but I'm gonna add it in the spots where I see is like a little bit sparse. So I don't even know if y'all saw that, but it's on there. This happens a lot. The tweezer itself gets stuck in the glue. It's so annoying, but when it does that, it just creates a mess. They're not brushing out smooth. It's like they have glue all over them. So this is what I've done so far. I'm going through it, y'all. I did some 19s in the back here, but they were literally in my waterline. I don't know if the magnifying mirror is too good, that I'm too precise to like my actual lashes, but it was in my waterline. So that was, I was like tearing up and everything, but oh, that was so bad. I think what I'm gonna have to do is just like take a little break after I do this one eye, because this was so much stress for me. Like, it was so stressful for me, y'all, and my back is starting to hurt. But basically what I'm doing right now is I'm cleaning up the freaking I'm cleaning up the tweezer while it's soaking in the lash removing glue. Y'all, I did not see not one person struggle like this when they were applying their lashes. Like, one girl, she was struggling because her glue was so strong, but nobody struggled with getting the glue on the tweezers. Like, only me. Oh, alright guys, so it's actually the next day. Yesterday I just tried my best to literally like even finish half of this eye, and I couldn't. I was like, you know what, let me go ahead, do what I gotta do, because this is going to take years. I'm gonna try it again tomorrow. So today, fun fact, I almost quit. I literally prayed. I was like, God, if I can't get this one piece on, then I'm not gonna do it, because I started from out here and I was going inwards, and it was going okay, not necessarily great, but not horrifyingly horrible. So I'm like, yo, so I was trying to put this one piece on and it just wasn't going on. So I'm like, God, if this don't work, I'm gonna just call it quits, period, right? So miraculously enough, it worked, and I was trying so hard with that one little piece for so long. But yeah, I kept going, and yay, y'all, it does not look perfect at all, but it is my very first time doing lashes, so keep that in mind. Like, I still have some spaces, like right here, you know, right here I have some spaces, and I'm trying to like get rid of them, but at this point it's a little tough. So I hope it looks good on camera. I already put one little tiny strand over here. I'm gonna go ahead and continue. So I actually ended up taking off all of the ones that I had done yesterday, and I put on longer lashes because yesterday's was way too short. So I'm working with my 19mm, which is right here, and my 18 for like the inner corners. So I'm gonna go in with my 19 and put it on the outer corner. And I also like to grab huge chunks now, just because like you get done faster. Alright, now I'm gonna dip it in glue. This is how much trial and error I did, y'all. This was last night, this morning, and now this is me just trying my best. Okay, so sometimes it does itch, not itch, but sometimes it does burn a little bit, but it's not like a, oh my god, I'm gonna die burn. It's just like, okay, this is annoying, but let's just keep going type of burn. So yeah, I don't think there's any glue out there that does not burn your eyes, because this was not cheap and it did not do the job. So that's freaking disappointing, but let's keep going, y'all. Oh no, you see, I applied that one horribly. Yeah, I applied it upside down somehow. Oh yeah, it did not look good. A lot of them actually have to like sacrifice them and just give up on them, like a lot of the lashes, and so I lose a lot like that. Hopefully as time goes on I get better, and this is not a thing that's gonna keep repeating itself, because I lost like about 100 lashes just because they were not right, or like the glue was not sticking or something. Actually, I don't know about this one. I guess it looks fine. Alright, I'm gonna try to like brush them out. Okay. Yay, so far they're all staying on. This side is actually really easy compared to this side. I don't know, but it's coming out kind of cute. So these are D curls. I'm not sure if I like D curls more or C curls. I don't really know the difference, honestly, but I like really curly lashes. So next time I do these, I'm gonna try a different type of curl. Okay, I'm actually getting better at this. This is what they're looking like. I'm about 75% done, thank God. I think when I'm done, I'm gonna go back in over here just to add some more right here. But so far we cool, we cool. All right, I'm officially done, y'all. This is what it's looking like. I don't know what to say. Like, I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I don't like it. I know some of the lashes, they got really close to my waterline. What am I trying to say? To my eyelid, but they look okay to me. Like, when I wet them, you know, in like 24 to 40 hours, when I do wet them, I'm gonna like try to like fluff them out when I'm drying them. But for now, they look a little crispy. But yeah, that's what they're looking like. If you're thinking about doing your own lashes, I mean, do it at your own risk, because you gotta be really careful not to literally poke your eyes out. And also, it's tedious and it's irritating to the eye. So like, if you want to do it, you know, make sure you do your research and make sure you are well informed and, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. My lashes are done. In my upcoming videos, you guys are gonna see how they hold up. But yeah, I like them. From the side, they're pretty. This is my first time doing them. Don't forget, y'all, so don't do me. But yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Fufu out. Love you.